So I'm watching all your videos, and it looks like you guys just take this magic goo out of the bucket, or that you spray and that fancy little gun, and you eliminate my roof leaks. Is it really that simple? Yeah, man, it's really as simple as putting on a rubber glove and then opening the bucket of WeatherWeld, which, yeah, I guess it could be goo that's got fiberglass in it. And you take this goo and you spread it out all over your roof, or for full roof applications, you spray the goo on the roof and you make it one encapsulated piece. And it literally takes the roof and makes it one seamless piece. Throw the rubber glove away, put the lid back on the bucket if you want to, and problem solved. So, is WeatherWeld really just fancy goo? Well, in layman's terms, if I could just take a product that looked like goo that had fiberglass in it and make your roof seamless, it's so simple that a 5-year-old can do it. And inspecting a seamless roof is super simple. It's either seamless or it's not. You either see a seam or you don't. Then yeah, it's very, very simple. So when a customer says, "Hey, Mike, is your stuff really just goo?" Yeah, it's just reinforced goo that solves a problem, and it's super simple. And we branded the company Roofing Made Simple with this magical reinforced goo because that's exactly what it is. And we take it down to the simplest terms and the simplest way to install it, and the simplest way to solve your roof problems. It's nothing more than reinforced goo. And it's only available from WeatherWeld.